In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide slides in Microsoft PowerPoint, whether you're using PowerPoint 2016, 2013, 2011, or even PowerPoint 207. This is a handy trick if you're preparing for a presentation or just want to organize your slide deck without deleting content you might need later. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. The version doesn't matter much, as the basic functionalities are quite similar across versions. Make sure PowerPoint is installed and ready to go. Next, open the specific presentation you want to work on or start from scratch with a few practice slides. Browse through your slides until you find the one you want to hide. This could be a slide containing information you might want to skip during a live presentation or something you want to keep in the background while you perfect it. Right-click on the slide thumbnail in your slide panel, usually on the left side of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Focus on the Hide Slide option and click it. Your slide is now hidden from any slideshow presentations, but remains in your slide deck for future reference. To confirm, you'll notice a small diagonal line across the slide number, indicating it won't appear during your slideshow. If you change your mind, you can easily unhide the slide by right-clicking again and selecting Unhide Slide. This feature is also useful when collecting feedback, as your audience doesn't need to see all the behind-the-scenes details. Hiding slides helps you control what your audience sees versus what you have available. There you have it, a quick and comprehensive way to hide and unhide slides in PowerPoint. Whether preparing for a major meeting or a seminar, these steps will help your presentations run smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips.